the Floodlight Cam E340. Just like its predecessor, this device touts impressive zoom capabilities, stellar night modes, noteworthy AI features, and a dynamic dome that can make a full 360-degree turn. Having had hands-on experience with the Floodlight Cam E340 since its launch, we're excited to spill the beans on our journey with it in this video. If you're intrigued, check out the links in the description for some sweet deals. Now, without further ado, let's dive into the review. Unwrapping the package was a straightforward affair. No frills or fancy surprises here. The box itself lays out the device's features in detail on the front, side, and back. As we pop the cover, the brand logo and safety precautions greeted us, neatly arranged for easy visibility. A glance beneath the divider revealed a set of accessories, including a sticker, insulation hook, a white USB-A to USB-C charging cable, screws, dowels, and an impressive paperwork ensemble totaling a dozen items. The manual caught our attention with its thoroughness, ensuring you won't miss any crucial details. Our first encounter with the camera left us with a positive vibe. As we peeled off the protective films, the upfront brightness caution caught our attention. Holding the camera in hand, there's quite a heft to it, and the overall build quality is nothing short of satisfying. The floodlights, boasting a generous 180-degree range, a substantial speaker, a sizable sensor, and standout dual cameras with a large aperture lens, paint a picture of promise. Not to be overlooked, features like the SD card slot, sync button, USB-C port, and seamlessly user-friendly connectivity underscore a thoughtful and well-designed device. The pair of floodlights here emit a substantial brightness, akin to a high-powered panel. Moving to the front, our attention is drawn to the swivel arms, offering flexibility in various directions, upwards, downwards, and along the sides. This versatility and adjustment is truly commendable. Moreover, a threaded feature at the top provides the option for mounting different accessories, adding an extra layer of adaptability. Thoughtful build quality is evident in the placement of rubber inserts, strategically protecting the screws underneath. A quick scan reveals a design flourish, an insert with tiny cutouts, purely for aesthetic charm, adding a touch of sophistication. Shifting our gaze to the camera module, its movement spans from nearly 90 degrees downward to facing the wall on one side and reaching the farthest point on the other side. The dual camera configuration, featuring a telephoto lens and a regular camera, showcases notably large lenses, especially the latter, promising impressive night vision capabilities. The combination of matte finish with glossy elements adds an aesthetic appeal to the overall design. The dual camera's versatile movement and the clever design choice with tiny cutouts enhance the overall visual appeal. Notably, it holds an IP65 rating for water and dust protection, and the temperature range is commendable. Mounting is a breeze thanks to the user-friendly design. The quick release feature, while convenient, requires disconnecting wires for removal. The sync function seamlessly aligns with our positive inspection. Noteworthy is the option to close the device after pressing the sync button, eliminating the need for reactivation. Setting up is made easy with the inclusion of a junction box, and the app takes the lead in efficiently calibrating preset positions. Our experience with the night vision demo left a strong impression, as the motion-activated lights illuminated the designated monitoring area. The AI tracking functionality stole the spotlight, highlighting its swift and accurate performance, even in low light conditions. The color night mode, complemented by light assistance, delivered a remarkable quality that caught our attention. As we transition to the real-world experience, the floodlights step into action, providing top-notch security for your home, patio, or backyard. The motion-activated lights showcase their effectiveness, casting a generous and brilliant glow that blankets the entire area. Observing the camera interface and strategically positioning the lights to the side ensures optimal illumination. Operating at maximum capacity, the resulting image quality is truly astonishing, boasting exceptional visual clarity. To elevate the experience, we activate the AI tracking, which executes flawlessly. Our initial exploration includes testing the color night mode with light assistance. The quality, especially when the subject remains stationary in near complete darkness, is fantastic. Reactivating the lights, we seamlessly return to full operational mode. Both cameras, equipped with active IR LEDs, deliver outstanding image quality. Video recording captures intricate details vividly, with AI tracking seamlessly following movements. Pushing the boundaries into a pitch-black area, the camera proves its mettle with impressive performance. The various modes earn a resounding thumbs up from my side. This camera truly stands out. AI tracking, tested across diverse scenarios, proves remarkably swift and accurate. Night vision, complemented by motion-activated lights, ensures clarity in even the darkest corners. The app's extensive customization options make this Floodlight Cam a personalized and potent addition to your security toolkit. Diving into the app, the setup process unfolded seamlessly, enhancing our overall user experience. Powering up the device, we observed the LED status light and status ring going through their routine, and the rapid pace of the process was undeniably a positive start. Navigating through the three-dot menu, we found quick access to light activation, privacy intervals via snooze mode, and general settings. Directing our focus to the camera, a simple click on 3K Ultra and the preset button effortlessly brought us there. Muting the sound to prevent feedback, we explored dual mode and adjusted streaming quality, which is limited by my phone's capabilities for full screen mode, but despite this, the camera adeptly tracked my movements. Initiating video recording, we tested the sound and pan tilt, and marveled at the expansive field of view enabled by the DualCamera setup. The app seamlessly guided us through illuminating the scene with light, capturing screenshots, engaging night vision, AI tracking, round look, and playback. A detailed exploration of the settings followed, including edge connection for enhanced facial recognition, and various light settings from ambient to motion activated with manual adjustment options. Opting for maximum brightness showcased the camera's powerful illumination. Motion detection settings provided sensitivity adjustments and evolving AI tracking, including pet detection in its developmental phase. Defining the detection range and exploring pan and tilt settings, we witnessed remarkable speed, concluding with a calibration. Recording quality was already optimized, offering continuous and 24/7 recording options, image flipping, audio settings, and more. With these essential settings thoroughly covered, we're now ready to proceed with the installation and embark on a real-world test. Summing it up, the Floodlight Cam E340 went above and beyond our expectations. Its design not only captivates visually, but also serves with exceptional functionality. The 3K dual camera system stands out, delivering stellar image quality and unmatched zoom capabilities. Equipped with dual-band Wi-Fi 6, the device ensures improved speed, keeping it future-proof. The app, loaded with a plethora of features and settings, provides comprehensive control for users. Links to purchase are conveniently placed in the description. Thanks for tuning in. Share your thoughts in the comments section, and if you found this video helpful, don't hesitate to share it.